Good morning, my friends. How are you all doing today? Well, welcome in. Today is that's a good start, isn't it? Hello and welcome. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you are all well. Everybody, I hope everybody's well. I am getting better. Thank you for all your lovely comments on the last video. I am getting there. I'm still not 100%. I'm 100% in myself. It's just my voice and whatever is not quite there yet. But today we're here for October's sock yarn giveaway. And it's Turkish yarn, obviously, because I've just spent a weekend in Istanbul. And I have got, for this month, I have got the Elise Artisan Superwash Print Effect sock yarn. And this is the colour. I thought it was very autumnal, very spooky, spicy for this time of year. It's 100 grams, 3.53 ounces, 420 meters and 459 yards. So, and it's 75% wool, 25% nylon. Along with that, you're going to get a 4mm circular needle by Knit Pro, and as always you're going to get some stitch markers. You know the light bulb stitch markers are my favourite, so that is what you're going to be getting for this month. The rules and regulations too, as set out by YouTube, is in the description box below. This is mine. YouTube's no way affiliated with this giveaway. I purchased it, and that you really do need to be 18 years and over. You need to be subscribed to my channel. You must leave a comment, obviously, and don't forget the thumbs up, and share with your friends. Share this video with your friends. You never know, one of you might be lucky. Is there anything else I want to say? Oh, it's worldwide as well, guys. It is worldwide, and it'll go on from the 12th, which is Sunday, right the way through to the Friday. So it's only kind of Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday I'll pick the winner, and Sunday the winner will be announced. So this is just a short video, a short giveaway. Yeah, but I just want to say thank you for all your support, well wishes. Yeah, I've not had a cold like this in quite a few years, so it really hit me hard. And that, so good luck everybody. Don't forget to leave them thummies though, even if you don't want to enter and you watch, just leave them thummies, because it really helps me. Either in the description box there will be all the information you need. Also there'll be a link to my October giveaway, yarn giveaway. If you've not entered that, hop across and enter that one as well. Same rules apply. So take care everybody, stay safe, but more importantly guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And until my next video, bye for now.